Subscribe to our YouTube channel YouTube and don't forget to press the bell icon for the notifications of our latest videos. Thank you.
Behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
WhatsApp QR code scanner will help to share and save contacts directly in the app according to the current report. Each user will have a personalized QR code that can be scanned with the phone's camera. By scanning the QR code in the individual's device, their contact details can automatically be saved to WhatsApp contact. The new update on the Facebook-owned social messaging app will have users adhere to a more comfortable feature. People will no longer have to save contact numbers in the contact details of the phone. While WhatsApp is throwing pebbles to the outdated way of comforts and technology, not only in the field of software but also in the list of apps, it is also bringing new features to compete with other app sources. The app is working on many new feature updates like hiding muted status updates. No other app has competed so far to make itself this user-friendly. WhatsApp has also permitted users to share texts, voicemails, audios and videos, PDF and Word documents, and the application will soon run a money sharing feature within the application as well, known as the WhatsApp Payments. A report by the Economic Times reports that WhatsApp has already set up data storage facilities in India, rendering to the sources. WhatsApp has already moved to the audit process where the company shall be audited by certain empaneled auditors after finishing the necessary work of data localization in the area. A person concerned with the matter told the publication that, now that one of the major concerns around localization of data has been addressed, the payments offering can go live. The company has planned to sign partnership with ICICI Bank using Unified Payments Interface (UPI), also with Axis Bank, SBI and the HDFC Bank as partners. As per the performance, the company will launch the feature around September in India.